Good morning, teacher. Can I have a word with you? I really need your assistance.
Good morning, Rick. Sure, we have a few moments before class begins. What's troubling you?
Thank you. I have a serious issue. I practice English diligently every day. I put in a lot of effort, and I follow all your suggestions. However, my problem is speaking. I don't have anyone to converse with in English. I lack friends, and I desperately need to talk to others to improve my English speaking skills.
I understand. You're right, to improve at something, you need to practice it regularly. This applies to speaking as well. The more you practice, the better you'll get. I'll help you out. There are several ways to find people to practice speaking English with. The key is to find people you genuinely want to connect with and build relationships over time.
That makes sense. But where do I start? How do I find these people?
The first step is to determine who you are looking for. It's crucial to find people with similar interests who are passionate about learning English. I had a similar challenge years ago. Initially, I only found people who would say, "Hello, how are you?" "Fine, thank you, goodbye." It wasn't very helpful. So, let me share some strategies that worked for me. Begin by telling your story. Your introduction is very important. On most of these platforms, you need to introduce yourself through text, video, or audio. It's not easy for many people, but it's necessary. Start with simple details about your job, family, and hobbies. Remember, you don't have to share everything or anything you're uncomfortable with. It's up to you how much you want to reveal to find speaking partners.
All right, I can do that. But where should I start looking?
There are many options. One popular method is using language exchange platforms. Websites and apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, and Speaky are specifically designed for language exchange. These platforms connect language learners worldwide, allowing you to find partners who want to practice English in exchange for help with their native language.
That sounds promising. Are there any other suggestions?
Definitely. You can join online language learning communities. Online forums, social media groups, or communities dedicated to language learning can be very useful. Platforms like Reddit, Facebook groups, or Discord servers often have sections for language exchange where you can connect with English speakers. Telegram and WhatsApp groups are also effective. I found many groups where people are eager to practice English with others.
I hadn't thought about that. What about practicing in person?
In-person practice is very effective. Look for local language exchange or English-speaking meetup events in your area. Websites like meetup.com often list language exchange events where you can meet and talk with other English learners or native speakers in person. Additionally, consider enrolling in language classes or courses, either in person or online. Many language schools offer conversation practice sessions or pair you with a language buddy for practice outside of class.
That sounds like a good idea. Do you have any other tips?
Yes, check for language cafes or conversation clubs in your city where people gather to practice different languages. Also, consider volunteering for organizations or events that need English-speaking volunteers. This could include tutoring English to non-native speakers, participating in community outreach programs, or helping tourists in English-speaking areas.
Volunteering sounds like a great way to practice and help others at the same time. What about using technology?
Some language learning apps use AI technology to simulate conversations with virtual partners. While it's not the same as talking to a real person, it can be helpful. One of my students mentioned a great app recently, though I can't remember the name. If you're interested, I can create a video with the best apps for practicing English.
That would be very helpful. I'll look into those options.
Also, keep an eye out for language exchange events or workshops organized by cultural centers, libraries, or universities in your area. These events often include activities and games designed to facilitate language practice in a fun and engaging way.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Are there any specific websites you recommend?
Yes, here are a few: CamPitalk, Preply, Lingora, Verbling, Spoken English Practice, English Tutors Online, My Language Exchange, Easy Language Exchange, Coffee Strap, and many more. None of these apps have paid us to mention them, so they're worth trying.
Thank you very much, teacher. I will use all these tips because I'm really concerned about improving my English.
Don't worry, Rick. Follow these steps, and you will see improvement. Remember, consistency is crucial. Keep practicing, and you'll make progress.
Thanks again. I'll start today. Have a great day, teacher.
You're welcome, Rick. Take care, and good luck with your practice. If you need more help, feel free to ask.
Listeners, I hope you like this conversation. If you cool and improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with friends. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Think button. Thanks.